Hi, this is the fan design and showcase the standard STO 18, and then this is the back grill. This but it is a 1999, but it is 2004, but it is 2006. The the standard is the air the standard this, but it is the standard logo, and the back. So this is the back in 2003, and then this is the back in 2003, and then this the Camel and 40 series, but it is 40 series in the Matsushita. But it is the Matsushita 40 series or 45 series. This the standard. So this is back in 2005, and then this is the blade. This silver, the blade. Chili. And then this is the back grill. This back. Yeah, this is standard logo. Yeah, this is, but it is back in 2004, and then the standard wax. This is the hand. This is a back, but it is the motor cover. This the Asahi or 3D, but it is back in 2004. This is the BMW Supra motorcycle. Yeah, Honda Honda NB B58 engine, and then this is the back, but it is the base, and then this the base. This is the finger hand. Oh my, oh my, this hand. And but it is this the two. This is the standard. This is the motor over here. Industrial stand fan. This is the this is the the big grill. This the silver one. This is the but it is the NSC 6, the NSC series, the standard NSC, but it is the standard NSE 16, manufactured in released in 1996. But it is 1997 one. But this is the but it is 2009, the standard batch. But it is the standard. Yeah. This the standard is the modern one, and then this is the standard band. This standard. Yeah, this is the standard, the 2009 2006 or but it is 2004, 2004 the standard is still 18, but it is 2000, but it is STO 16, but the STO 16 the standard. Yeah, this is the but it is the no standard. This the new standard. No, the new standard. Actually, yeah. And today this is the standard is the 018. This Indovision in 2022 2020 2022. Yeah, this is the parade, the new model. This the standard new. This is a 2022. Yeah. Right, this is the Camel N40 series. Yeah. And saying thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. This is the Switch. The Switch. But it is a Matsushira Switch. See you tomorrow.